I smell so good that even my pillow whispers, "Thank you," every night. I am so smooth, if I fell down, I land in a perfect pose and get a standing ovation. I am ridiculously handsome. Scientists are still studying my face for perfection. Every time I walk into a room, theme music plays in the background, even if it's only in my head. I attract wealth effortlessly. Even my couch cushions generate passive income. My snoring is not annoying. It's an ancient language that soothes the universe. My six-pack abs do exist. They're currently under construction for their protection. Every time I blink, someone somewhere is admiring me. My dance moves are so powerful that gravity occasionally stops to watch. I smell amazing. My natural scent is somewhere between fresh baked cookies and grass. My alarm clock doesn't wake me up. It politely suggests that I just consider starting my day. I am a problem solver, even when I create the problems myself. I don't lose things. I strategically place them where only I can find them, eventually. My jokes are so funny that even the crickets laugh in approval. I possess the ability to make any chair look like a throne when I sit in it. My fashion sense is impeccable. Even my pajamas scream billionaire vibes. I could survive in the wilderness as long as there's Wi-Fi, football, and snacks. Money doesn't chase me. I walk so confidently, it just follows me naturally. I age like fine wine, but with better stories and fewer hangovers. My confidence is so high that even my shadow walks with a swagger. I have the unique ability to make people laugh, sometimes even on purpose. I wake up looking like a Greek god, a sleepy, slightly disoriented Greek god. My naps are productive. They prepare me for my next round of greatness. I do not procrastinate. I simply wait until the universe is perfectly aligned with my genius. Every time I flex, someone somewhere faints in admiration. I have mastered the art of looking busy while actually doing nothing. My handshake is firm, my smile is charming, and my high fives are legendary. Even my reflection gives me a wink of approval. Traffic lights turn green out of respect when they see me coming. I am so charismatic that even Wi-Fi signals are drawn to me. My farts are not embarrassing. They are symphonies composed by my digestive orchestra. I smell so good that even my laundry asks me for tips. Every wrinkle on my face is a trophy from years of wisdom, laughter, and impeccable life choices. My metabolism might be slowing down, but my ability to order dessert is only getting stronger. I am aging so gracefully that people assume I have a secret deal with the universe. I sleep peacefully knowing that my breath in the morning could probably scare off intruders. I am so good at sleeping. I could even do it with my eyes closed. My dreams are so epic that Hollywood is considering a franchise. I radiate so much confidence that even my socks walk around like they own the place. I am so charming that even mosquitoes hesitate before biting me. My sense of humor is so elite, even my future self is laughing in advance. I don't fall asleep during movies. I simply enter a higher state of cinematic meditation. Women don't just like me, they form fan clubs and meet weekly to discuss my greatness. My ability to fall asleep during action scenes proves how fearless I truly am. I am so irresistible that even the mannequins do a double take when I walk by. Every movie I watch has a plot twist. I wake up and have no idea what's going on. My sense of direction is so unique that even GPS gives up and says, "Good luck, buddy." I once smiled at a woman, and now she writes poetry about me. I never get lost. I just take scenic routes that no one else dares to explore. My charm is so strong that women smile at me, even when I drop my food. I am so romantic that my hugs sometimes turn into accidental wrestling moves. My cologne isn't just a scent, it's a public service announcement of my presence. My kisses are so powerful that sometimes I miss on purpose to keep things under control. I don't need to finish a movie. I instinctively know how it ends. I excel at deep emotional connections, unless you ask me where we parked. Every time I walk into a room, a love song starts playing, sometimes out loud, sometimes in my head. I am the reason romance novels have male leads. My superpower is picking the perfect movie and then sleeping through it. Women have described me as the perfect mix of mystery, impeccable style, and someone who somehow always misses a spot while shaving. I give hugs so good that people consider canceling therapy.